In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Cash App to Robinhood in a quick and easy way. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. From the main screen, search for Bitcoin using the search bar at the bottom of the app. Once you find it, tap on Bitcoin to open its details page where you'll see the price chart and additional options below. Scroll down until you find the option to receive Bitcoin. Tap the QR code icon next to your Bitcoin balance. This will display your Robinhood Bitcoin wallet address. You can either scan the QR code or, more safely, tap the option to copy the wallet address so you can use it later. Now open Cash App and go to your My Cash section. From there, access the Bitcoin tab. Inside the Bitcoin section, tap the option to send Bitcoin. You will then be asked to enter the amount you want to transfer and the destination wallet address. At this point, paste the wallet address you copied from Robinhood into the recipient field. Double-check that the address is correct, since crypto transactions cannot be reversed once sent. After confirming everything, proceed with the transfer and complete the transaction. Once the transaction is processed, your Bitcoin will be sent from Cash App to your Robinhood wallet. Depending on network speed, it may take a few minutes to reflect in your account. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.